Alright, so here's a video I've been meaning to do for a while now. So, here's a Banvil Enviro Breeze Gold Line Industrial Ceiling Fan, also known as an Enviro Fan Gold Line and a Banvil Enviro Fan Gold Line. This fan was manufactured in May of 2018. It's a very new fan. I got this for my birthday this year. We ordered it straight from Banvil in Milton, Ontario. I was actually worried that it would have ended up being that incorrect picture, which was a straight blade looking fan that looked like a Dayton and had a can-arm canopy. But they changed the picture in the catalog to the actual real gold line that EnviroFan makes. And so I trusted the picture, and when I got it at the electrical supply store, I opened the box to make sure that it was the actual gold line, and yep, it was this, indeed. So I was very excited to get this, actually. I've been always wanting to own a gold line. They're big childhood fans. I've been seeing them around and eyeing them out ever since I was a kid. And there have been different models of these. The ones from the 70s, the Union era gold lines, have the cast motor, which points down in the middle. Those are very cool ones. And the ones I can't remember, like from the 80s, I think, has I know there's one that has a motor that looks like this, but I think it's a bit bigger, and it has a bell canopy. I'm pretty sure those ones are, I'm pretty sure they're from the 80s, but yeah. But I know ones from the 80s that have that look like this one, except I think the motor's a bit different, and the cord is black. But yeah, the ones I make today have a white cord, and it's a long cord. See, that's the cord right there. Now, I don't know how different EnviroFan's version is compared to this. But yeah, the only thing I can say that's different, the blades don't curve all the way up like they used to. The blades curve differently. I know Jeffrey Robinson got one for Christmas last year, a black one, and the blades don't curve all the way. It was just like this one. I don't know if his is labeled Banvil Enviro Breeze, but I'm sure it is. But yeah, Banvil and EnviroFan were both fan companies that used to be together. Banvil's based in Milton, Ontario, and EnviroFan was based in Buffalo, New York, until, now they're in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I think around in 2000 they got separated. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna start the fan now. Let's start demonstrating it by starting it on low. I have it on the can-arm solid state, so it's gonna be very buzzy. I need to get it on a 3 or 4 speed control. See what I mean? Really, listen to that buzzing sound. It's really loud. Really loud. Yeah. Now you can see what I mean. I gotta put it on a 4 or 3 speed wall control. Like my other industrials, I had them on solid state, wasn't as bad. But I was told with gold lines, I think it was really bad, and yep, it is indeed. I'm actually thinking, I'm pretty sure the Union era gold lines are from the 70s. Maybe they are from the 80s, I don't know. I know Mitch Anderson had one, and he gave it to Metal Pete on a group trip. Metal Pete restored that one, actually. Alrighty, well, I guess we'll turn it up a bit. Just wait until you see this thing on high. It will just blow tons of air in here. It's going to be like a helicopter. Especially this garage is so small. Like, you won't even believe it. I'm just afraid to keep it on high in here for so long. You could already hear that wind noise of it. Like, it's just speeding up already. Okay, we'll turn it up to here. You could just hear how fast the fan is going because of the buzzing. Buzzing's really loud. I could already feel some air from it. And I could already hear that wind noise. Like, I just hope I don't cause disaster putting it on high. That's why I'm really scared. I've been meaning to test this for a while, but I've just been too scared too because of how fast this fan goes. Like, this is why I need a bigger space, like a bigger garage, like a 2-car garage. All right, turn it up here now. Like when you actually have these installed in warehouses and commercial places, I just don't know how. Like, they would have them on solid state controls, but I guess you wouldn't hear the buzzing because they're up so high. Oh wow, I could hear the helicopter noise now. Like, alrighty. This is medium. This is very fast medium. Like, this is why Banvil and, like, this is why gold lines are the best industrials you can get today. This is what I mean. And, yeah. Okay, yes. This is such a fast fan. Like, now you see. I'm probably gonna stop talking here for a bit because I don't want to have it on high for too long. Feel that air. And now we'll go straight up to high. Now here's full high. It's just starting to blow some stuff around. Feel that air. Like, the best industrial you can get today. A gold line. Envirofan gold line or a Banvil gold line. I can even feel a bit of air here too. Alrighty then, I guess we'll turn it off now. I don't want to keep it on for too long on high. And we'll do spin down. Let's see how long this thing takes to spin down. But yeah, I get how people mean that this is the best industrial fan you can get today, because it's really fast and blows a lot of air. Like, I mean, if you install this in a small space, it will just be a windstorm, like here, like you just saw. So, yeah, but I don't know how different the Envirofan version is of the Banvil. Like, I don't know if the Envirofan version, the blades still curve up like they used to. Because Banvil, it doesn't seem like they do anymore. I mean, which version's better, I would say, is Banvil or Envirofans? Like, I guess they're both the same. Like, This one's just like the Enviro fan version. Like, they're technically both the same fan, but just both different brands. Like, I actually own a Silverline, which is an Enviro fan made one, but it's labeled Banvil Enviro fan Silverline because that one I got in the US on one of the group trips. The 2017 group trip, I got that. So yeah, okay. Hopefully spin down won't be too long here. But yeah, I think out of all the industrials fans I own now, first industrial I owned was a Canarm CP56, which I got at Home Hardware. And next industrial I owned was a Canarm industrial again. It was a CP36. That one I got from Princess Auto. Yeah, I think I mentioned the 56 I got from Home Hardware. And next one, what was it? I think, yeah, next was Silverline, because the year after I got the CP36, I got the Silverline from the group trip in 2017. It was Dan's, actually, and Metal Pete borrowed it. And then the next industrial I got was the Mayfair Energy Star line, which I got also in 2017 or early 2018. Yeah, I think it was 2017, the end of 2017. And then now I got this. So yeah, so it has come to a complete stop. So let me see if I can show you guys the stickers. Yeah, actually, I might need to get a stool to just show you. Hopefully I don't tilt the camera, so I don't have a sideways video. That's what happens. Yeah, and by the way, I'm not using the digital camera because okay, where's the sticker? I'm looking for the date. There's a sticker there. There's this here. Yeah, there we go. And sorry guys, I'm just looking for the date. I can't seem to find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, let me just... Okay. There you go. 2018, May 5th. Yeah, the 5th. That's the fifth year. And here's Banvil. Enviro Breeze. Like, see right there. Enviro Breeze. Extra heavy duty gold line. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.